Communication malfunction between IPM board and outdoor main board. Malfunction conditions. PCB main chip does not receive feedback from IPM module during 60 seconds. This failure may be caused by wiring mistake and faulty PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Is at least one LED in the IPM board lighted? If there is at least one LED lighted, replace IPM board. If no LED is lighted, check the signal wire between the IPM board and the main PCB. Is it connected well? If not well, reconnect and retry. If the error still exists, replace the IPM board and then check whether the system can operate normally. If the error still exists, replace outdoor main PCB and then check whether the system can operate normally. If the error still exists, replace the electric control box. If the IPM board and main board are in the same board, replace the outdoor main PCB directly.